Getting started as an organization. Thank you for joining ChildSafeguarding.com. I'm going to give you a brief overview of the key features of your ChildSafeguarding.com account. In this Getting Started overview, I'm going to go through the sections you see up here at the top of the page. We'll start with the Credits section. The Credits section of your ChildSafeguarding.com dashboard provides an overview of your organization and the credits that you have purchased or have used on our system. An overview of your organization information is listed here, including the logo that we will use on certificates and in courses. You can download a detailed account summary here, or purchase additional credits here, or up here with the Buy Now button. If you become a member of our recognition program, information will be listed here. Down in the credits section, we provide information about credits that you've purchased, credits that are used, credits that are in progress, credits that are available, as well as information about active and expiring or expired certificates. The number of credits that you have available is simply the number of credits you have purchased, minus the number of credits that you've used, and minus the number of credits that are in progress. Credits are only considered to be used once a learner is issued a certificate. So if a learner is in progress but does not complete their course, that credit will be returned to your account to be used with another learner. Credits on our system can be used for any course we have available or to subscribe to any of our subscription-based courses like our parent tutorial. Down here at the bottom, you will see more information about how these credits are distributed. To the right, you'll see information about certificates. Here you'll see the active certificates for learners who have completed courses using this organization's credits. To see details, just click on any of the numbers here and you will be taken to the Sessions section, and a filter will be applied to show you exactly who those learners are and give you access to their certificates. We also help you understand which certificates will be expiring in the coming year. That information is presented here, as well as a link to all of the expired certificates on the system. If you move here, you'll be able to see when those certificates expired, whether within the last year or more than a year ago. To get learners started, simply visit the Get Learners Started section by clicking here. You will see on this page the courses that we have available, the audience for each of those courses, what type of certificate learners receive when they complete the course, and how many credits each course costs on a per learner basis. To get a learner started on a course, simply click the Get Started button for the appropriate course. This will open up a window that will help you get a learner started on that particular course. For some of our courses, learners will get on the course using a course code. To do this, you choose the course that you would like them to take, which is listed here. You choose the language that they will take the course in, and then you share this course code either by giving them a URL, downloading a QR code, or emailing the course code. When you provide this course code to your learners, they will be taken to the front door to the course, where they will be asked to type in their name and press begin to get into the course. For other courses, you will need to invite learners to connect to your organization and to create an account on ChildSafeguarding.com by sending them an invitation link. You can do this by clicking on the appropriate course, making sure that your link is active, and then emailing them, downloading a QR code, or copying a URL. When you email the invitation link, you can email multiple addresses at once. Individuals who receive this email will be asked to create an account on the system. Learners who receive this email invitation from you will be asked to either log in to connect their existing ChildSafeguarding.com individual account or to create a new account. When they connect to your organization through this method, they will be able to use your organization's credits to take the courses that you provide them access to. To manage the connections on your ChildSafeguarding.com account, visit the Connections section. In this section, you will be able to manage your invitation link. This is the link that you will share with individuals to allow them to connect to your organization to use your credits to take courses. Your invitation link is only active for a limited time. This is a security measure we've implemented to ensure that your link cannot be used by just anyone, thereby protecting your credits from being used without your permission. At any time, you can deactivate or reactivate your link, and you can extend how long your link is active. Down the page, you'll be able to see information about the accounts that are connected to your organization. You'll be able to see who is connected, when they connected, what courses they have access to using your organization credits, the status of that connection, and at any time you can change their access or disconnect from them completely. Individual accounts also have the ability to request a connection from your organization. If you receive a request for connection, you will also receive an email informing you about that request, and you will see here buttons to either approve or deny that request. To monitor the learners using your credits on the system and to manage their sessions, visit the Sessions section here. In the Sessions section, you will be able to see all of the learners who are using your credits to take courses on childsafeguarding.com. You will see the name of the learner as they've entered it, the source of the credits they're using, whether they are their own credits or ones that you've paid for, the course they have taken, when they started the course, if the course is completed, when their certificate will expire, and the status of their session right here. You'll note that there is a session timeout listed for all in-progress sessions. If the learner does not complete the course before that session timeout date and time, their session will be automatically terminated and their credit will be returned back to you. If the learner loses or misplaces their learner code, you can download the URL for their learner session right here to provide it to them so they don't lose any progress. When learners complete the course, the status will change from in progress to completed, and you will be able to access their certificate here. Simply click on the certificate button to see the certificate for that particular learner and session. Certificates issued by childsafeguarding.com are digital. They can be printed, downloaded, or emailed. Every certificate is also individually serialized. This is a security feature that ensures that childsafeguarding.com certificates cannot be faked. Certificates are also multilingual. Initially, they will be presented in the same language by default that the learner took the course in. For example, if a learner completed this course in Mandarin, their certificate would be presented in Mandarin. But as you just saw, you can change the language of the certificate at any time. So if you need a copy of the certificate in another language other than English, you can change the certificate language here. Or if they have completed the course in a language other than English and you need an English version of the certificate, just click English here and it will change the certificate language to English. The certificate includes information about the learner as they have entered into the system, the name of the course that they have completed, and information about your organization, including your organization's logo. The certificate, as we've mentioned before, is valid for a limited amount of time. So it will show when they completed the course and when their certificate will expire. After this valid until date, the certificate will be expired and the learner will need to retake the course. Down here, we've given a written reference to the child protection reporting information you shared in your childsafeguarding.com account. This information was presented to the learner during the course and is written here so that they have a written reference in case they need to make a child protection report in your organization. Our certificates can also be shared on social channels or added to a LinkedIn profile here. Now back to the sessions page. I want to show you an important feature about the credits and sessions on childsafeguarding.com. To do this, I'm going to go back to the credits section. As you can see, this organization has 814 credits available and 2 credits in progress. Let's now return to the sessions section. As I mentioned before, if a learner does not complete the course before this session timeout date and time, the session will be automatically terminated and the credit will be refunded back to the organization account. You can terminate these sessions manually. If you would like to terminate a session and take back the credit that was used for that session, simply come here, click the box, and click Terminate Session. Now you'll see that that learner was terminated, and if I go back to the credits section, this account now has 815 credits available and only 1 in progress. So that in-progress credit can be used with another learner. Once a learner receives a certificate, the credit is considered used and cannot be used again. If at any time you would like to change the settings and information for your account, simply click the Manage Account button here. On this page, you have the ability to update your organization type, change your login information including the email address and password you used to log into your dashboard, change information about your organization, update the contact person that we have on file. We use this contact information in case we need to discuss your account or share information about childsafeguarding.com. You can also update your logo, change settings on the course, including updating the reporting information that you share in courses. Each of our courses allows you to provide customized reporting information. This reporting text will be shared with the learners when we talk about child protection reporting at your organization. You can share any information you would like them to know about how to report child protection concerns in your organization. And finally, at any time, you can review any of the transactions that you have on our system, including subscriptions, allocations, or purchases. To learn more and apply for our ChildSafeguarding.com recognition program, click the recognition button here. Our ChildSafeguarding.com recognition program offers your organization the opportunity to share your commitment to child protection to people both inside and outside your community. When you join, we give you a bespoke web page, a plaque, and graphics that you can use in your digital and print communications. Please visit this section to learn more about the requirements and the process for applying. And finally, we have a set of free child protection resources that are available for download here in the resources section of your dashboard. If you have any questions, please contact us through our webpage and the Contact Us section at the bottom of the page. We also recommend you watch the how-to videos for more information on each of the features I have just shared with you. Again, thank you for joining ChildSafeguarding.com, and remember, with your help, children will grow up healthy and safe.